Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to make a really quick video for you guys because it's been a couple days. I've just been super busy. I have a Halloween party next week that I've been preparing for, so it's been taking up a lot of my time. But I wanted to just like check in and say hello. And also, I've been struggling a little bit with trying to figure out my first creation to record for you. So I figured I could just ask what you guys want to see. So if you want to just comment down below what you would like to see me do, if you have like a favorite person, actor, favorite show or something that you want to see me do a portrait of, I can do that. If you want to learn how to paint something, if you want to learn how to make a dream catcher, if you want to learn how to make some kind of jewelry, just let me know. Just like write down some comments down below and I will get to it. Also, I have been waiting for a camera to come in because I only have a webcam that connects to my computer, so it's not very convenient for moving things around, for going around and recording other things, because I have been doing like a paint pouring for a commission that's really cool, so I wanted to show you guys the process on that. So as soon as my camera comes in, which it should be this week, I will do that. Also, I wanted to do some videos on making music too, because I also love to create music and sounds. So that's another thing that I can do with that new camera. Also, I have been taking some more time for myself. Sometimes I like to remind myself that it's important to just sit with myself and just provide myself with the self-care that I need. So I've just been meditating more. I've been practicing more yoga. I notice whenever I'm in like a funk, I just have to kind of go within. So if you're also in some kind of a funk and you're stuck, or you're feeling a little restless, or you're feeling a little indecisive or confused or whatever, just a little reminder. Everything you ever need or need to know is within you. I know it may sound a little corny, but it's the truth. And so sitting in silence and meditating is a big deal. It's powerful. It reminds you that you are enough and you don't need anything else. And so that's my other message I want to give you guys today. You are enough. The entire universe is within you. Just sit in silence and feel it. So I'm actually off to school right now, so I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I will check back in and see what you guys want to see me create for you. Have a wonderful day. I said that already. Stay creative, everyone.